Hello, entrepreneurs and business owners. Let me tell you, if you're not thinking about AI, you're already behind. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the game for businesses of all sizes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI, breaking down exactly how small businesses like yours can harness its power for a serious competitive edge. Forget the hype. We're talking real strategies, actionable tips, and examples you can actually implement in your business starting today. So, grab your notebooks, buckle up, and get ready to level up your business with the power of AI. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Okay, let's break down this whole AI thing. At its core, AI is about teaching machines to think like us, to learn from data and make decisions. We're talking about machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. AI powers chatbots, voice assistants, and forecasts trends. It's not just for big companies anymore. Affordable AI tools are available for small businesses. Benefits include reduced costs, happier customers, and smarter decisions. Automate tasks, provide 24/7 support, and make data-driven decisions. AI empowers your team to focus on creativity and strategy. Understanding AI is essential for every entrepreneur. Let's talk about one of the most practical and impactful ways small businesses can leverage AI chatbots. These aren't your grandma's clunky bots. We're talking sophisticated AI-powered assistants that can handle customer inquiries 24/7. Imagine this. A customer lands on your website at 3 in the morning, eager to learn more about your product. Instead of waiting for business hours, they're greeted by your friendly chatbot, ready to answer their questions instantly. Chatbots can handle a wide range of tasks, from providing order updates to qualifying leads to even processing payments. This means faster response times, happier customers, and more time for your team to focus on complex issues. And the best part, setting up a chatbot is easier than you think. Platforms like Drift and Tidio offer user-friendly interfaces and pre-built templates to get you up and running quickly. We're not just talking theory here. Businesses using chatbots are seeing real results. Think about it. 50% reduction in response time, increased customer satisfaction, and improved lead generation. So if you're looking for a way to supercharge your customer service and free up your team's time, AI chatbots are a no-brainer. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about the crystal ball of business sales forecasting. But forget the mystical methods. We're talking about the power of AI to predict your future revenue with incredible accuracy. AI-powered sales forecasting tools analyze your historical sales data, market trends, and even external factors like economic indicators to provide you with data-driven predictions. No more gut feelings or guesswork, just cold, hard data. Imagine knowing exactly how much inventory to order, which products to promote, and how to allocate your marketing budget for maximum impact. That's the power of AI-driven sales forecasting. Tools like Zaya from Zoho and Hubspot's predictive features make this technology accessible to businesses of all sizes. They integrate seamlessly with your existing CRM and provide you with actionable insights to optimize your sales strategy. And the results speak for themselves. Businesses using AI for sales forecasting report a 20% improvement in forecast accuracy. That's a game changer when it comes to making informed decisions that drive growth. So, if you're ready to ditch the guesswork and step into the future of sales forecasting, AI is your secret weapon. Let's face it, in today's hyper-competitive market, generic just doesn't cut it. Customers crave personalized experiences, and that's where AI comes in. Think of AI as your secret weapon for understanding and catering to your customers' individual needs and preferences. AI-powered personalization engines analyze customer data from various touchpoints, website browsing history, purchase history, email engagement, to create a detailed profile of each customer. This allows you to deliver tailored product recommendations, targeted content, and personalized offers that resonate with each individual. Imagine sending an email campaign that speaks directly to a customer's interests, recommending products they're actually likely to buy, or personalizing their website experience based on their past behavior. That's the power of AI-driven personalization. Tools like Dynamic Yield and Nosto make it easy to implement personalization strategies without needing a data science degree. They integrate seamlessly with your existing marketing stack and provide you with the tools to create truly personalized experiences. And the impact? We're talking about a 15 to 20% increase in conversion rates, improved customer engagement, and stronger brand loyalty. Remember, in a world of endless choices, personalization is the key to winning hearts and wallets. Inventory management. It's the backbone of your business, but it can be a major headache. Overstocking ties up cash flow, while stockouts lead to missed sales. AI predicts demand and optimizes inventory in real time. It analyzes sales data and external factors to forecast demand precisely. Optimize stock levels, reduce waste, and ensure you have the right products. Tools like TradeGecko and Square Inventory bring AI to businesses of all sizes. Automate tasks and save costs. Businesses report a 20% reduction in inventory costs and fewer stockouts. More money in your pocket and happier customers. AI is your secret weapon. Now, I know what you're thinking, this is all amazing, but where do I even start? Don't get overwhelmed. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. You don't need to implement every AI solution at once. Start small. Identify one area of your business where AI can make the biggest impact. Maybe it's automating customer service with a chatbot, optimizing your inventory management, or getting a clearer picture of your future sales with AI-powered forecasting. Once you've identified your starting point, do your research. There are tons of AI tools out there, so it's crucial to choose the one that aligns with your specific needs and budget. Don't be afraid to experiment. Most AI platforms offer free trials or demos, so you can test the waters before committing. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, learn as you go, and scale your AI initiatives gradually as you see success. Okay, so you're ready to take the plunge and implement AI in your business. Now, it's time to talk tools. The good news is there's an AI solution for practically every business need, from marketing automation to customer relationship management to financial analysis. But here's the key. Don't just jump on the first shiny object you see. Take the time to research and choose the right tools for your specific needs. Consider factors like ease of use, integration with your existing systems, scalability, and of course, budget. Look for platforms that offer robust features, intuitive interfaces, and excellent customer support. Remember, you're not just investing in software, you're investing in a partnership. Don't be afraid to leverage free trials and demos. This is your chance to get hands-on experience with the platform, test out its features, and see if it's the right fit for your business. Remember, the right AI tools will not only streamline your operations, but also empower your team to work smarter, not harder. Now, here's a crucial point that often gets overlooked. Implementing AI isn't just about the technology itself, it's about your people. Your team is the heart of your business, and it's essential to equip them with the knowledge and skills to effectively use these new tools. Investing in training is non-negotiable. Provide your team with comprehensive training on how to use the AI tools, understand the data, and interpret the insights. Foster a culture of learning and experimentation. Encourage your team to explore the capabilities of the AI tools, experiment with different strategies, and share their learnings. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the user. By investing in your team's education and fostering a culture of continuous learning, you'll unlock the true potential of AI and drive sustainable growth for your business. There you have it, folks. The power of AI is no longer out of reach for small businesses. By embracing these strategies and taking action, you can leverage AI to gain a significant competitive edge, streamline your operations, and unlock unprecedented growth. Remember, the future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, innovate, and embrace the power of technology. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of AI today and watch your business soar to new heights. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more game-changing insights, and leave a comment below sharing your biggest takeaway. Until next time, keep hustling and stay ahead of the game.